briefly as we go live to Caracas because the hearings continue at the Supreme Court. Let's see live images. We are looking at live images from Caracas. This is the headquarters of the Supreme Court as Benjami Rausseo, one of the former presidential candidates that participated in the July 28th elections, is coming to his hearing. Let's recall that this is a process that we have been following during the last couple of days as the Supreme Court of the country, that is the highest tribunal of the country, is calling all the political representatives involved in the process, the electoral process of July 28th elections, and also that includes former presidential candidates. The Supreme Court is summoning all of them to appear before the court for special hearings. That is what we are watching at live at this moment. In this case, it's the case of Benjami Rausseo, one of the former presidential candidates, and the objective of these hearings that are taking place is to retrieve all necessary information and to give an instance for all political sectors to present their evidence, present all their information, everything related to the entire electoral process. Now we see that the authorities are coming in. First, we see General Prosecutor Tarek William Saab, who is greeting the representatives that are coming upon for this hearing, as he has done with all of the other members, political representatives that have come upon the tribunal. In just a few minutes, we will see the authorities, that is the tribunal that is led by Calicia Rodriguez, president of the Supreme Court of Justice of Venezuela, come in and formally initiate the session. So again, let's recall that this process was initiated after a contentious appeal filed by the president of Venezuela himself, Nicolás Maduro, who did so, in his own words, with the aim of strengthening the transparency of the democratic process, with the aim of clarifying anything that needed to be clarified before the Supreme Court and in a sovereign way. And after that contentious appeal was filed, this process of summoning all representatives began. We see now the authorities and Calicia Rodriguez officially beginning this session. She is now officially initiating the session. We see the authorities who are reading the initial openings, formal openings.
Applicable by the Article 98 with the purpose of receiving the legal instruments that are under the candidates, and the candidates must respond to the questions, and the file case is 2024-34, and it is given recorded that Citizen Rodriguez is present here on the condition of former presidential candidate of the election, and he is assisted by lawyer Maria Pino Eleda, and likewise it is given recorded that the General Attorney is present.
De la comparecencia del ex candidato presidencial Benjami Rausseo en la sala electoral del Tribunal Supremo de Justicia. Con estas imágenes vamos a retomar
images in Caracas as the hearings continue. The Supreme Court of Justice, all in the process of the investigation that the top court is carrying out regarding the entire electoral process of July 28th. And like this, we have come to the end of this news.